La-di-da-da-da, another day in paradise. Okay, sarah. Oh, what's this? I see Ughughugh approaching. Hello there, Bip. Hi, Sorceress Bree. What brings you to me today? Well, I was wondering if you had a moment to offer me some advice. Why, certainly. I see you have concern about something, and as all limitations are self-imposed, I cannot refuse. I wouldn't want good old Bip to be in want, you see. Yeah, I see, Bree. So, you see, young Galadin wants to go hike to the top of Mount Hippopoto. I'm not sure I see why he needs to go. I see. Do you see the potential for something to go wrong? Like a marmot mauling? Like falling into a brook, perhaps? Or young Galadin getting lost and freezing in the night? Breaking an ankle on a pebble? A loose pebble? Getting slithered on by a gardener snake and things like that? Yeah. You see, he's never been away from the missus and I in the woods overnight before, and something happened. A countenance more in sorrow than anger would follow, if I see you correctly. I do not see exactly what you mean, no. But, do you think I should let him go? Well, will he be doing this journey alone? No, he's gonna be going with a couple of friends. I see. Well, in that case, I suggest you chop and change. The game's afoot, you see, or do you not see, that it's time for you to buckle down and accept the taxation of parenting. Let the boy venture forth. Oh, I do see, Bree. I will let him go. Thank you. Keen as mustard to help, Bip. Have a great day. Oh, you too. Bye. Loo-dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo.